Okay, so I am back with another video, but this time it is related to technology. It is also related to Minecraft redstone, which is enough to fry an engineer's brain. But we are not doing any redstone in this video. Instead we are bringing the redstone to life. So Riverboy, are you ready? Okay, now stop behaving like a kid, I have a reputation to hold. Anyways, this topic is going to be a little complex. So Riverboy, put on your nerd glasses and let's get right into the video. So what are comparators? Those who play Minecraft know what it is, but for those who don't, let me explain it in a simple language. As the name suggests, comparators compare. The comparator is used to compare two currents, and outputs a digital signal by indicating which one is larger. The thing that most people don't know is that these things are also present in our PCs and they play a major role in many actions of the computer. Without these comparators, the computer would be an idiot, just like Riverboy. There are many different types of comparators. For example, mechanical comparator, mechanical optical comparator, read-type comparator, electrical electronic comparator, pneumatic comparator, etc. But today we are going to be talking about the operational amp comparators, which come under the category of voltage comparators. The op-amp comparator compares one analog voltage level with another analog voltage level, or some default reference voltage, also known as Vref. It produces an output signal based on this voltage comparison. In other words, the op-amp voltage comparator compares the magnitudes of two voltage inputs and determines which is the largest of the two. The operational amplifier can be used with negative feedback to control the magnitude of its output signal in the linear region, performing a variety of different functions. A standard operational amplifier is characterized by its open-loop gain AO and that its output voltage is given by the expression VOUT equals AU, V plus V, where V plus and V correspond to the voltages at the non-inverting and the inverting terminals respectively. With reference to the op-amp comparator circuit, let's first assume that VIN is less than the DC voltage level at VREF, VIN less than VREF. As the non-inverting positive input of the comparator is less than the inverting negative input, the output will be low and at the negative supply voltage, VCC, resulting in a negative saturation of the output. You might want to go back and listen to that clip again or carefully examine the images as it was a bit confusing. Comparators are one of the most flexible and universally applicable components available. In large measure, the lack of recognition is due to the IC op-amp, whose versatility allows it to dominate the analog design world. Comparators, in particular high-speed comparators, can be used to implement linear circuit functions which are as sophisticated as any op-amp-based circuit. Judiciously combining a fast comparator with op-amps is a key to achieving high-performance results. Now that I look back at comparators in Minecraft, I feel like I can make the most complex redstone machine after learning this. Of course not, but I think that this should be enough for today. Hope you guys liked the video. As usual, the links of the source websites is in the description below, so you can check that out if you did not understand something or if I made an error. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting videos like this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Let me know down in the comments what I should make next. Until the next time, goodbye.